How to send quick snap on Instagram DM. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a quick snap directly in Instagram DM. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the message or DM icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the DM section, what you can do is simply open the conversation with the friends who you want to send a snap to. And now here, once you are inside the chat, what you can do is just tap on the camera icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the camera section, what you can do is just tap on the camera shutter icon to take a photo. And now here, once you have taken the photo, what you can do is just tap on the send button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you do that, the snap will appear instantly in the DM section and can be viewed like a disappearing messages. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.